Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm looking at the Aussie Yen. Tokyo session has just kicked off, and I've got this up on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I've got this balance area back up in here that I'm interested in. So I'm looking for a short opportunity. Now, one thing with this is, let me just do this, and I'll explain what I'm talking about. If we look further back up here, I'll explain what this is about. So what I'm doing here is I'm entering with a market sell at the current level, and it's only a small position, and I'm going to set this up as a sell zone. This is how I generally set up my trades. Within this sell zone, I'm going to layer in pending sell orders all the way up through here. So I work out my overall position size, and I'll split it into however many, 4 or 5, maybe 6 positions. I'll get either 1 or 2 of these fill. A market sell is already running, so if it trades off, at least I've got my feet wet. If it happens to pull back up in through here, I get a fill. So I trade these 4-hour levels as a general rule, and I'll set up my stop loss above. So there's a stop. This will be my sell zone. I've gone back on the daily time frame and I've marked up these levels here for potential targets. Right, so we've got this candle low and this balance area range through here I've pulled up, and then we've got this accumulation and this accumulation zone. So there's 3 areas, levels of interest. So we've just kicked off the Asian session. What I want to do is go down to the lower time frame and show you how to navigate the volatility successfully. So we have these red dots, and I'll just go back and show you 1, 2, 3, 4 how successful these are, and I'll explain the strategy. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you see where I'm going with this. So we got a 10 out of 10 win rate. Now, going back a little bit further, I've marked this up here. We take these red dots when we see a combination of this bar and the majority of these bars in the same color. So down here we've got the majority green, and then we have this red bar. So I'd stay out of the market while these 2 bars are conflicting. It comes together here, so we can see we've got the red bar and we've got the majority of the bars down here red. So that gives me a go ahead. Green light, sell. All right, so you can see with the combo of these, so this is a higher time frame. I won't explain exactly what's going on here. I've done that in other videos, but this is just confirming that the trend on the higher time frame is behind us, right? And you can see the outcome. So I would invite you to jump on board. Gain access to the indicators. The link is below. We've got a free Telegram group you can join. There's another link there for free email, daily trade signals sent out to email database, and you're welcome to that. So yeah, this is an idea for the Aussie Yen. Go in with a market sell, small position, layer in pending orders, short, stop loss above this range here. Targets, I'd go 1-to-1, take most of my position off, and then trail the rest. And we've got these levels under here as potential target levels. Okay guys, with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.